can't do this one because I have to. Oh!
Alright. There you go.
Oh, Milo, you're doing good.
Good job, Milo.
Up and down, up and down. Up and down. Hit the ball!
You gotta aim at the monsters.
Ball! Hit the ball! Go, Milo! Go, Milo, for your bell! Hit the circle! Okay, fine.
Hey, can you sound like a little duck when you hiccup. There we go. Yes. I got it. There we go. Now we're on a roll. You thought you got it, didn't you? I can't believe, I honestly can't believe what I'm seeing. They all wanted to watch the car. Just randomly like, hey, let's just all clean Dad's car, even though it's pretty good. Try to find the bird poop spots. You get 10 points if you clean off a turd of bird dung.
I just got 10 points.
10 points for bird dung, 5 points for pretty much everything else.
He's gonna turn out the lights. Watch his lights.
15 points for debris removal.
This is a hack. That's a hack. He's cleaning.
That's not a hack.
Yeah, it's
20 points if you figure out how to clean the very top of the hood. And we're already on to ice cream. 40 seconds and we're now. Hey, you figured it out. Caden's gonna win this one because he figured out the way to get up to the top, which honestly wasn't that difficult if you really think about it. We're at Stillhouse Falls. We're trying out a new waterfall today. We were at Machine Falls last month, and this time we are towards the Trace. We're actually on the southwest side of town, not far from Columbia. We're definitely good photo op here. A lot of these bridges have like railings on one side, but I'm like, why not just put another railing?
Right.
Or siding? It's not as climactic as Commons or Burgess or Machines, but all right. We're right underneath the fall now. You could touch the waterfall. It's very smooth. It has a mossy vibe to it. The rock wall is very mossy, very smooth. Just documenting. We have some friends. I like the pool area. Like, we're in a drought, and yet like what you're seeing is very conservative water flow. Like, I can only imagine that this whole thing is going to look even more spectacular. I mean, it's not a terrible drought. Honestly, the depth of the water in this pool is pretty good for the kiddos, so it probably would come up a little bit more, but not that much. Probably, typically speaking, those spaghetti roots are going to be... Oh no. Are you okay?
Yeah.
You do have to watch for leashes, but that's really it. Not a lot of bugs out today, which is nice. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ivy. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Caden's the one who picked it out.
And we all know now what character she's going as.
Oh, look at that. Be prepared to clean it up. I'm just saying.
What is it? It's pizza cake. This is a euphemism for life being easy, but it's never quite as easy. Oh, wait. What?
She ate it for the first time.
She put a little bit in there.
That's my slice.
2 of them.
And we're waiting for that acknowledgement smile. It's good.
So all the kids have to
Here,
learn, not
Milo.
Milo yet.
There's a
Go
fork.
sit down. Go take it and sit down.
I figured getting them out of the way first.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a still in there. There's like, don't mess with me while I'm eating my.
Help Eileen. We need to help her.
Ooh, you see cake?
Are you ready? One,
Cake.
2, 3. Oh!
Yay! Clap.
You made it up on your knees. Is there another toy I can get? You can do it. You can do it. Almost. Good catch. Good job. Yay!
We got a new keyboard.
Can I go?
This is how, yeah, you could play. This is how Kate is learning how to play. What's impressive is that the keys would line up and it helped to memorize the notes. They're not lining up now, but they were. Can you show the I like the back.
Okay, you want me to show you the light?
Yeah, show the light part. I want them to see kind of how you were able to learn that. We're on our way to see Twisters in Watertown, Tennessee, the theater there, Stardust Theater. We're about 10 minutes away. Look at this glorious, towering cumulonimbus. A few pop-up storms this way. Nothing tornado, nothing severe, but still kind of fitting that we're going when there's at least some storm activity. But it's also dry, so it's like the best of both worlds. So the driving's not bad, but we got some cool scenic views in it. We'll see what we can. I got 2 wild monkeys in the back. We're gonna see how far they can go with it.
What do you want for dinner?
Goldfish.
Just goldfish.
For dinner. Yeah.
Nothing else. So if I give you goldfish right now, you're not having anything else for dinner.
Yeah.
So say, I'm only having goldfish now.
Goldfish now.
Nothing else for dinner.
Enough for dinner.
Okay.
Evie is going down the hill.
She is crazy.
Lord help her ride with
Look down there.
strength,
Guys, show the camera down there.
prowess, no injuries or wipeouts.
Here it comes. Yeah!
Go, Kaden. Evie, she's just a baby. Smiley Eiley's. We're at a new swing set. We're at is it Long Hunter Park? We've crossed the boundary. We're in Sumner County and in Goodlettsville. And I think Long Hunter, if it's not the street, it's the park name. We're trying something out today. Something different.
Whee! Hi, Lee. Hi, Lee girl. Hi.
Say hello. As soon as the sun popped out, like first time all day, I was like, up, see the butterflies, and I'm glad you saw it too.
I tried to get a picture, but they were too fast for me. So I've started a butterfly counter.
All right, we're at Lost River Cave, and my fam is already talking with some of the locals here. We're south of, I think southwest of Bowling Green. We're not, I guess we're in Bowling Green city limits, but Lost Rock Cave. There's the gift house. I think you purchase your tours there. I think it's like underwater boat tours, I think is their specialty. We are in Cave Central. Never been to this before, but this is kind of like a nature area for the kids to play. It's like, you know, it's refreshing. It's like how playgrounds used to be back in the day. Fun little place. We're hoping to find some butterflies. We'll see what we can discover on this little day trip.
We're gonna get
I'm looking for the butterfly habitat.
I know, but I just
Prices are a bit, mid, but thankfully what we're doing today, we're doing all the free stuff. We just crossed a bridge, huge ravine down there, kind of where the cave tours
now you can
start, or at least to lead into the cave tours.
What?
That's an albino squirrel right there. Albino squirrel. Or it's just, I got it.
You did? Is it still there?
I'm videotaping it.
It wasn't bad for the squirrel.
Or maybe it's not a squirrel. We found the butterfly house.
Are there any in here?
Yeah, we saw a few, but let's be respectful. I saw some. Now it's very possible that the butterflies went into hiding when they realized we were here, but there's one up there. I mean, if you guys look up, you might see some. Guys, make sure to read the signs. We can learn some cool things about.
This is the Charlie Miller Butterfly House at the Lost Cave River. We just did a quarter-mile hike on gravel with the stroller because we didn't know. I missed my tush seat. So now we're getting ready to go into the butterfly habitat.
Woo! I really like it. Wee! Wee! Maybe I would like to go down the slide.
Boop. Got me. Got me. Milo, where are you? Milo's making some friends.
Wee! Here we go! Fire time! Fire time! Wee!
I think they're okay though.
And this way! Beep! Beep! Beep!
They were singing it just a few minutes ago.
No way! No way!
God will move and truth can hinder. He's the sender of the rain. Come, kids, you were just singing it. Come on, sing it for Pops. Things we think impossible are possible in Jesus' name.
Oh!
Kaden, I'm so proud of you. Your mom, your brothers and sisters, we're so incredibly proud of you. We're saying yes to Jesus. We're saying yes, I will follow your lead in getting baptized. We're also proud of just how you love God so deeply, how you love one another with all your heart. Your compassion and your understanding are beyond your years. And we couldn't be happier that you're committing your life to follow Jesus today, to be more like him. You know, we talked about how it's one thing to believe in God, it's one thing to believe in Jesus, but it's another thing to follow him with the intent to make disciples, to make fishers of men. So based on your answers, based on the life which you live, I baptize you in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Ghost. So just as you are buried in the likeness of his death, raised to new life in him.